love D real ill. I got them saying, boy, you nasty. Drop a hot song, now they saying you can have me. Well, here I go, and if she keep talking, put a target on the throat, choke. And I'm aiming with my penis, take a swag at it, got me playing like Venus. You seen it, you touch, but you better not tease it. This east side nigga have your ass dumb cheesin', and sex is a reason. Put a sock in it, cause you can't help screaming. I'm a cold-hearted nigga, but I'm steaming like a demon, and I'm aiming for the figures while they hate for no reason.
Mr. Afro Thunder, the hooligan man, can run your summer. Hit it from the back, yeah, bitch, I'm on your bumper to bumper. We can play plumber, you can go under. Mouth like a plunger, she grabbed my pocket and start working with her tongue. Dumber and dumber, her head game dumb. Had a nigga saying fee, 5, 4, 5. Since I'm the hooligan man, I tied her ass up to the futon bed. Ate it up on the futon bed. Spread, head had her feeling righteous.
Get that ass over here, she put her head down and put her ass in the air. Get that ass over here, she put her head down and put her ass in the air. Get it up, 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 get it, get it, get it up. Get it up, bitch.
Mike Dollar, hoes wanna holler. They already know that a nigga about his dollars like guap it or stop it, and you should just stop it. Saying you got money, but you ain't got no guap, bitch. I'm ill, sick, it's like I'm throwing up. Man, I swear to God, when I spit, it's like I'm throwing up. I'm like, what the fuck, what's really going on? All these chicks on my dick, I'm tryna take them home. Turn them on, get some dome, then get it on. When we get it on, we gon' listen to that whisper song. I kinda want me a porn star that'll suck me all day and drop a phone card. And yes, we is the best. Cold flames, baby, and fuck the rest. Got me feeling like King Kong, the way I'm beating on my chest, and I'm something like airplanes. I'm flyer than jets, and I'm looking like who's next. She walked up and said, no talking, she give neck. Yeah, okay, you can hurt me, but no teeth, little mama, don't hurt me.
Get that ass over here, she put her head down and put her ass in the air. Get that ass over here, she put her head down and put her ass in the air. Get it up, 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 get it, get it, get it up. Get it up, bitch. CF gang, low mama wanna fuck. What's my name? Mike 3IB, your maniac by any means, seduce me. I know you want me, no time for games. I'm only here for sex, so I suggest you approach me. It's many other chicks who wants me, throwing that ass like a nigga really wants it. Follow me around like a Tesha really wants it. Grind on the dick, squeeze once, make me horny. Full of liquor, each shot she's thicker. Each puff, my imagination gets clearer. In the center of the room, I'm in a digging real deep, trying to find lost treasure. And I think I might cuff her to my pole party all night. Got behind closed doors, they went down on sight. Niggas knocking at the door, but I'm here for the night. She got class with a swag in her. Let me come take a piss, then I'm back in the red, yeah. Get that ass over here, she put her head down and put her ass in the air. Get that